Russia is demonstrating that it can modernize its antiquated Sukhoi Su-25 Frogfoot fighters with a variety of cutting-edge tools to target Ukrainian strongholds. The Su-25SM3 Grach, a modified Su-25 fighter jet, is outfitted with a transportable electronic anti-missile air defense system. Since its debut on February 22, 1975, the Sukhoi Su-25 has been the backbone of Russia's ground attack units. The Russian Federation's Ministry of Defense most recently decided on January 13, 2023, to use the Su-25SM3 Grach fighter Het for more frequent strategic attack flights in the Western Military District. The enemy's fortifications are the main objective of the Su-25SM3 Grach jet fighter. Because of this, the Su-25SM3 Grach jet fighter is essential to Russia's ground assault operations in Ukraine. The Russian Aerospace Forces, VKS, operated 192 Su-25s prior to the start of the conflict with Ukraine. 3 Su-25 variants are in service with Russia: the base Su-25, the twin-seat Su-25UB, and the Su-25BM target towing version. The Su-25UTG is another Russian naval variant that will launch from the Admiral Kuznetsov aircraft carrier. Although the most recent iteration, the Su-25SM3 Grach, was initially supplied to the Russian military in 2013. Su-25 planes operate at low altitudes in order to perform their ground attack duties. Man-portable anti-aircraft missile systems therefore frequently find Su-25 aircraft to be easy targets. Furthermore, NATO typically provides Ukraine with man-portable anti-aircraft and anti-tank missile systems as weaponry. The good news is that MANPADS attack prevention devices are installed on the Su-25SM3 Grach. An armored subsonic attack aircraft, the upgraded Su-25SM3 Grach fighter jet is intended to offer direct battlefield support to ground forces. Because the Su-25SM3 Grach has a GLONASS satellite navigation system, it can operate continuously in any weather. Launching guided weapons is made possible by this capability, which enables the Su-25SM3 aircraft to program the SVP-2425 observation and navigation system with an accuracy of 10 meters. The aircraft has 3 times the combat effectiveness of the original model and can destroy small ground targets. The Samara-based research institute Ikran created Vitebsk's onboard defense system to shield specific aircraft and helicopters from MANPADS and missiles. Electronic and optical interference are used for protection.